I don't do fakeness. You may not like what I say, but you'll always know where you stand with me. If my actions tell you that I like you, then I'm not acting. I'm a genuine person. It hasn't always been that way, but people learn and they grow. I don't understand being nice to someone's face and then shit-talking them behind their back. I don't understand not being upfront and forthcoming about your feelings for others. I don't understand when people's words and actions don't match up. For me, there is no compromise. If you are important to me, then I'll be loyal to a fault. And if you're not, then I won't. I expect the same. If you can't give me that, then I'm not the right person to have in your life, and that's okay. Life is short. I don't have time to second-guess where I stand with someone. I don't have time to worry that you don't have my best intentions at heart, nor can I invest energy into deciphering hidden agendas. My focus is on genuine connections and meaningful interactions. If I have to question where I stand with you, I'd rather not have you standing with me.